Everything is totally going according to plan. My creation is almost ready. We must hurry. Jackson, do you have all of our ingredients?
Yes, Master. Frankie. It's so heavy. My back.
Help me open this bad boy up.
Don't you think you're getting a little too carried away with this?
What makes you say that? Now, put on your goggles. It's gotta get messy.
I can't look.
Yes, it's coming all together so deliciously.
I always wanted to know how these were made, but I don't know if I have the stomach for it.
It's too late to pack out now. Here, and this will keep it from falling apart. Time to get your gloves dirty.
It's so gooey.
This little guy is almost there. The arms, the legs, perfect.
It's so
And
lifelike.
for the moment of truth, our creation will rise. We blew a fuse.
We're running out of time.
We need more power. I've got it.
Frankie, there's another way.
There is no other way. All creation is finished. Hi. And that's my secret family recipe. Guaranteed to reanimate your taste buds. Ta-da!
Awesome.
Wow, who knew that Frankie could take her home ec finals so seriously? I know, it's like she became a totally different ghoul. No nibbling till you're frosted.
Oh, Frankie, but I'm so delicious.